Hey RV Jerry, today we're going to replace the valve in this toilet. It's back there. I'm going to have to get this disconnected and get this valve out. It's back here somewhere. So I can get a picture of it. Yep, see it there? I can't see it. Okay. Let's see what you've seen. Okay, first things first, we're going to turn this around so we can see it. Those come off. What do you got there? 1/2-inch bolts. Yep, 1/2-inch bolts. Okay, one on each side. Okay, we got those 2 bolts off. Now we're just going to pick this up. And I got a little screw that's leaking water. Okay, I'm going to take the hose off. It's leaking water. Okay, so we got a little water leaking. No big deal. And there's our valve. Can we see it? We can. Okay, we got a Phillips screw here, and then this tab just lifts up, and then this just slides off. Okay, let me go find a screwdriver. Okay, here's a better picture of it, or video. So we're gonna take this screw out. Okay, we got that screw off. We're gonna push the hose off. Can't see that. No, we're gonna push this hose off. There we go. The hose is off, and this lifts up. It's got a little tab there, and I think that just pulls out now. Get my camera back down there. It slides out. And this little hooky thing over here, it's got a little S thing in it. I think that just comes up, or maybe this one comes out over here. There we go, came right out. This came right out of here. And I have a new one in a box. See if my camera will stay there. Yeah, okay, and in the box I have a new seal. Okay, that's good. We can replace the toilet seal. The valve, and it comes with that rod on it. Okay, so that's the way it goes, just like that. And that's the hose I took off. You couldn't see it when I was back there messing with it, so it's just one of these bathroom fittings here. It just fits on there like that, and you screw that on tight. Okay, what else do we have in the box? We have a little seal. Okay, I'm not knowing where the seal goes, but it does come with some instructions. So the ring goes on the toilet, not on the piece that goes on the floor. Take the hoses off, pull that out. He's cutting those hose, he's putting a valve in, taking the flange out. Well, guess what? I don't see a place for that little seal. Okay, if I find it, I'll come back to it. Okay, the flange, this is the old one. That comes out. Take a look at the toilet. Underneath the toilet. Okay, this is where this one would go. Let's see if it'll go on there and stay. Yes, that does good. So we'll put that on the toilet. Now back to the valve. I don't see anything else I need to do. That goes that way. Okay, we'll put it back in. That looks like that's going up. It is going up. How can it be going up? Because this goes this way. Okay, this goes in here. That went in pretty easy. This slides in this little groove. Well, that's a little tricky. It is in there. Okay, we'll slip the hose over and we'll put this right up over. That is it. We get the hose on. Oh, that hose is a little hard to get on. Right now it looks a little short. Okay, put the hose on, then we'll get this screw in here. Hello, screw. Found the screw. Okay, that screw is in. I'm going to have to get a pair of pliers and get on this hose. Okay, got the valve in. I got that hose connected firmly, and we're ready to put it back in. We got the seal on the toilet base down there. And we're going to just place this back in place. I'm trying to get my camera going here. Okay, set this on top of the bolt holes. Got one. Got the other one. The seal does hold it up a little bit. Remember, that's just plastic, so you don't want to put all your might into tightening up those nuts. Slide this little cover back on. There you go. We got the little toilet all replaced. That's all there is to it. Don't know why it was leaking, but it was leaking. They said it was leaking. I don't know that it was leaking. That's what comes in the kit. Never did find a place for this. So we're good to go. Thanks for watching.